my dear students, this is Debashmita Sharkar. Welcome to Learning is Fun. Today we will start with a new chapter which is Lunar and Solar Eclipse. What is an eclipse? First, let us know what is an eclipse. An eclipse takes place when one heavenly body, such as a moon or planet, moves into the shadow of another heavenly body. Okay, now there are two types of eclipse on Earth. They are an eclipse of the moon, which is also known as lunar eclipse, and an eclipse of the sun, which is also known as solar eclipse. What is a lunar eclipse? The moon moves in an orbit around the earth, and at the same time earth orbits the sun. Sometimes earth moves between the sun and the moon. When this happens, earth blocks the sunlight that normally reflected by the moon. This sunlight is what causes the moon to shine. Okay? Instead of light hitting the moon's surface, Earth's shadow falls on it. This is an eclipse of the moon. A lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse can occur only when the moon is full. A lunar eclipse can be seen from the earth at night. There are two types of lunar eclipse. Okay, the two types of lunar eclipse. There is a brief description of that. We will know more about these two types of lunar eclipse. Okay, first let's know the description of these two types of lunar eclipse. First comes the total lunar eclipse. Then comes the partial lunar eclipse. Okay. First we will learn the total lunar eclipse. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the moon and the sun are on exact opposite sides of the earth. Although the moon is in earth's shadow, some sunlight reaches the moon. The sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, which causes Earth's atmosphere to filter out most of the blue light. This makes the moon appear red to people on Earth, which is also known as the bloody moon. Okay? Then comes the partial lunar eclipse. A partial lunar eclipse happens when only a part of the moon enters the earth's shadow. In a partial lunar eclipse, happens when only a part of the moon enters the earth's shadow. I have repeated the line, sorry. In a partial lunar eclipse, earth's shadow appears very dark on the side of the moon, facing the earth. Okay, what people see from earth during a partial lunar eclipse depends on how the sun, earth and the moon are lined up. Okay, a lunar eclipse usually lasts for a few hours. At least two partial lunar eclipses happen every year, but total lunar eclipses are rare. It is safe to look at the lunar eclipse. Okay. Here comes the types of lunar eclipse. First comes total lunar eclipse. Earth's full umbral shadow falls on the moon. The moon won't completely disappear, but it will be cast in an eerie darkness that makes it easy to miss if you were not looking for the eclipse. Some sunlight passing through Earth's atmosphere is scattered and refracted orbed and refused on the moon, giving it a dim glow even during totality. Okay, if you were standing on the moon, looking back at the sun, you would see the black disk of Earth blocking the entire sun. But you would also see a ring of reflected lights glowing around the edges of the Earth. That's the light that falls on the moon during a total lunar eclipse. Then comes the partial lunar eclipse. Some eclipses are often or only partial, but when a total lunar eclipse goes through a partial phase on either side of totality. During the partial phase, the sun, earth and the moon are not quite perfectly aligned and Earth's shadow appears to take a bright out of the sun, moon. Okay? Then comes the penumbral lunar eclipse. This is the latest interesting type of eclipse because the moon is in Earth's faint outer penumbra shadow. Unless you are a seasoned sky watcher, you likely won't notice the effect, in which the moon is subtly shaded by Earth's shadow. Okay? Then comes the solar eclipse. What is a solar eclipse? Sometimes when the moon orbits the earth, it moves between the sun and the earth. When this happens, the moon blocks the light of the sun from reaching earth. This causes an eclipse of the sun or solar eclipse. During a solar eclipse, the moon casts a shadow onto earth. There are 3 types of solar eclipse, everybody know? Okay, we will know it in much detail, but here you all know, you all understand the description, the small part of this eclipse. The first is a total solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse is only visible from a small area on Earth. The people who see the total solar eclipse are in the center of the moon's shadow when it hits the sun. The sky becomes very dark as if it were night. For a total eclipse to take place, the sun, moon and the earth must be in a direct line. Then comes the second type of solar eclipse is a partial solar eclipse. This happens when the sun, moon and earth are not exactly lined up. The sun appears to have a dark shadow on only a small part of its surface. The third type is an annual, ANNULER, solar eclipse. Annular. Okay, annular. Annular solar eclipse happens when the moon is furthest from the sun, from the earth. Because the moon is furthest away from earth, it seems smaller. It does not block the entire view of the sun. The moon, you all can see. Can see though? Okay. The moon in front of the sun looks like a dark disk on top of a larger colored disk. This creates what like a ring around the moon. During a solar eclipse, the moon casts 2 shadows on Earth. The first shadow is called the umbra and the second shadow is known as the penumbra. The shadow gets smaller as it reaches the earth. It is the dark center of the moon's shadow. The second shadow is called the penumbra. The penumbra gets larger as it reaches earth. People standing in the penumbra will see a partial solar eclipse. People standing in the umbra will see a total solar eclipse. Solar eclipse happen once every 18 months. Unlike lunar eclipse, solar eclipse only lasts for a few minutes. Okay, so you should be means you should you, and here you have a important message. Okay, never ever look directly at the sun. It can permanently damage your eyes. You must use proper safety equipment to look at any type of solar eclipse. Okay? Then comes the brief description of the three types of eclipse. You all can know, but here is a much brief description. You all can write this in your notebook by pausing it. Okay, so let's start. A total solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse occurs when the moon completely covers the sun. As such, from Earth, totality during such an eclipse can only be seen from a limit area shaped like a narrow belt, usually about 160 kilometer, which is also 100 meter wide, and 16,000 kilometer, which is also known as 10,000 mile, not meter, 10,000 mile long. Areas outside this track may be able to see a partial eclipse of the sun. Looking at a solar eclipse without any protective eyewear can severely harm your eyes. The only way to safely watch a solar eclipse is to wear protective eclipse glasses. Then comes the partial solar eclipse. A partial solar eclipse happens when the moon only partially covers the disk of the sun. The annual solar eclipse an annual solar eclipse occurs when the moon appears smaller than the sun as it passes centrally across the solar disk, and a bright ring or annulus of hybrid solar eclipse. Then comes the fourth type of solar eclipse, which is a hybrid solar eclipse. A hybrid solar eclipse is a rare form of solar eclipse which changes from an annular to a total solar eclipse and vice versa along its path. Two eclipse. Solar eclipse. The solar eclipse is the one in which the moon is in between the earth and the sun. Lunar eclipse. The lunar eclipse is the one in which the earth is in between the sun and the moon. Solar eclipse occurs only in 18 months. Lunar eclipse occurs twice a year. A solar eclipse lasts for about 5 to 7 minutes. Lunar eclipse lasts for an hour. Solar eclipse witnessed in a few places. Lunar eclipse witnessed in many places. The solar eclipse occurs during daytime. Lunar eclipse occurs during nighttime. Solar eclipse. The solar eclipse happens in the new moon phase. The lunar eclipse happens in the full moon phase. If directly seen through the naked eye, then there are high chances of losing vision as it damages the retina. It is in lunar eclipse, it is safe to see a lunar eclipse with bare eyes. No damages are caused to the eyes. Then comes the picture. Just view this picture. It is very important. Okay. Thank you. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. Bye for now. See you soon in the next video. Stay home, stay safe.